Okay, look at that. When these animals are grooming the newborns like this, cleaning the newborns and licking the skin and the hairs, it gives the little ones a lot of vitamin D and again improve the growth. So it helps with the blood circulation of the body as well. Look at that. This is a very nice grooming. You can see the hyena is doing it very fast. So this is beautiful. The little one is very happy about it. You can see there. Look at that. This is now becoming an amazing sighting. Look at that. Now they're coming. He's coming to greet us. This is an amazing experience. Look at them just coming behind me. Wildlife is amazing.